My next guest is like a parking ticket. He's got fine written all over him. Would you please welcome Adam? Welcome to Eating with Soula, darling.
It's wonderful to be here.
It took me a while to get you into this kitchen, darling. I don't know whether it was just sheer terror, but I'm glad you're here now.
Well, yeah, thank you. It's great to be here now.
So what are you making today?
I'm making Polish pancakes.
Oh, Polish. You're Polish, aren't you? That's your background.
My mum's side, yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah, so my babcia. My babcia.
Your babcia. Is that grandmother?
Grandmother. She's watching. This is her recipe. She's watching today.
Is she?
Yeah, she always watches Soula.
What's her first name?
Stanisława. Can you say that?
Of course it is. Babcia Stanisława. Hi, doll. I've got him here. I'm not going to do anything to him. But tell me, can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Is all form of dancing in Poland pole dancing?
Yes.
Oh, no wonder. Oh, doll.
You do really well over there.
Oh, no wonder I love Poland. Oh, doll.
And I love drinking vodka too.
Oh, I love vodka.
You know they make vodka from the potato.
Well, it's a very rustic race, aren't they, the Poles?
Oh yeah, they've been through a lot in their time.
Shirtless and, sweating in the fields. Babchka, what's her name again?
Babcia.
Babcia Stanisława.
That's very good. Dobrze.
Dolce. What was yes again?
Tak. And no?
No?
Yeah.
Well, you're not going to hear that from me, doll. It's all tak. It's all tak. Tak. Okay.
We're doing Polish potato pancakes.
Lovely.
So here we've got examples of clean potato pancakes.
Clean?
Dirty potato pancakes.
So
these are filthy dirty.
Oh, filthy. Which is, yeah. Anyway, so is there a difference in flavour from dirty bitch potatoes to the clean potatoes?
No. You can buy them like this in the store, but these ones are dirty, so they can be washed and all that sort of
they're cheaper than these ones?
They are cheaper, yeah.
Babchka would have bought those. She would have pulled those out of the soil. Babcha. Oh,
that's what she used to do.
As she leaned over, reefing them out of the soil, probably belching and, because...
Were you there?
Well,
that's what she did.
Really? I'm not that old, darling. Really?
She's 95.
Oh, is she still alive?
Yeah, she's still alive.
God,
95.
love her.
She's on the Gold Coast watching today.
Love you, Babchka.
Babcia.
Oh, really?
You can call her Stasha for short.
Hasn't she anglicised her name to an Australian name? I'm calling her Beryl. Polish Beryl.
Okay, so to save time, I've grated 3 potatoes in there. So you just peel them, wash them, and you give it a good grate.
Oh.
So and you can dance.
See, when I was a younger girl, I used to be a little bit chubby. That's the sound. No, you can't tell now, but that's the sound my thighs made when I was on the dance floor. Go.
But what if you had a bit of lubricant or something like that? You'd be right.
No, darling, I'm self-lubricating.
You need a bit of moisture.
I'll tell you I'm moist now, doll. Oh, I've been this moist. Oh, doll.
All right.
You know who I really want to talk about?
Yeah.
Nice Hole. His gorgeous wife. Can't wait to love you, Nice Hole.
And it is nice.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, well, it have to be.
It's lovely.
Look what it got. Like, her name is not really that. That's vulgar.
That's what my brothers call her. Yeah.
Oh my God, what a lovely life she leads.
I know. See, I cook for her. I clean.
I'm so jealous of Nice Hole.
You shouldn't be. It's a lovely.
I've always wanted to have a nice hole. I ended up with a gorgeous husband. You know that I wanted 2 men in my life?
Yes.
One for cooking and one for cleaning.
Yes. Well, they're few and far between.
So if Nice Hole ever lets you down, this home, mia casa e tua casa.
You can be shared.
And you might be husband number 1. You might jump the queue.
Oh, okay.
Well, it depends on,
Well, if it gets me back on the show, I'm happy to do it.
Really, doll? Lovely. Let's get back to the recipe.
Okay, so then we add the carrot. Now, the reason for the carrot...
How many carrots?
Just 1 medium carrot.
A medium carrot.
Medium carrot. So then we just give that a bit of a mix here. I've got a spoon here. Give that
use
a bit
your
of
hands,
mix.
darling.
Yeah. Oh, really?
No.
No, I'm going to use my hands in a second. You watch.
Really?
Yeah, it gets a bit...
Lovely.
It gets very rustic here. Like your thighs, this is a little bit moist. Now, in order to get this a little bit drier, you've got to squeeze all the moisture out. All right, would you pass me that bowl when you're finished?
What?
Yeah. It's a little bit juicy. That goes in there. I thought maybe you might be embarrassed by the whole
I'm
thing.
not embarrassed.
It's just what us Polish potato pickers do. We give it a good squeeze.
Oh my God. Oh no, sorry.
Soula.
Don't-
So we just do that. So, and then we've got all that there.
That's a lot of moisture you've run out of that.
Look at that. So can we
Do you
see that?
drink that? Is that vodka?
You can make that into vodka, yeah. Well, you could be. There could be something for you
It
to
could be a
start.
new brand.
Could be.
If you sweat in there, can you imagine?
Now we just add the other ingredients, which is an egg, a tablespoon of flour, teaspoon of Himalayan salt.
Oh, Himalayan salt.
Himalayan salt. I'm being healthy.
Well, you are.
Well, it's
Really? Is it any different to normal table salt?
no, it's apparently supposed to be very good for you.
Oh, is it?
You should start trying it. You're a picture of health anyway.
Well, did you start yodeling if you have the Himalayan salt, do you? Like, really?
Give it all a really good mix.
Make sure you mix all that through.
Yeah. The supposed reason for adding the carrot is to stop the potato from oxidizing. Now, I don't know
How technical.
Yeah, I know, but that's
What happens if a potato oxidizes?
it goes brown.
Oh, no.
Yeah, and it's not a good look.
No.
Yeah. So we're just adding all this. What was in that drink before?
What? What drink?
I thought I saw you having a drink.
Don't
No?
worry. You'll feel it in a moment, darling. All of a sudden, you'll find me quite attractive.
What do you mean? I don't.
No, it's okay. Just keep going
I
with it.
find you attractive now, Soula.
Oh, dear.
I think you're wonderful.
Oh, nice hole. Nice. Oh.
Don't.
I'm not having a three-way with nice hole. Or maybe I will.
Do you feel threatened by nice?
No, I don't. I want to meet nice hole.
Yeah, you should. I should have brought her in today. So I need to get over here. So excuse me.
Oh, darling.
Sorry.
Oh,
Excuse me.
Oh, darling.
Sorry.
Oh,
So that's hot. I can tell by the oil when the oil. Now it's really important because with the oil, don't use olive oil because olive oil will burn.
Oh,
'Cause you needed
oh,
a-
rice bran. We've
This is
said
rice
this
bran oil.
before. It's got a higher burning point.
Yeah, rice bran oil, canola oil, whatever you like. But I was told by Babcha not to use
What's the first name again?
Stanisława.
Stanisława. A barrel.
Barrel.
Babchka barrel. Do you and Nicole ever get angry at each other?
No,
Never.
no, because I'm so easy to get on with.
Oh, my husband and I get angry at each other, and I say to him, "Look, I don't know how you don't get angry with me." I said, "What do you do to control the anger when we fight?"
Yes.
He says to me, "I clean the toilet." And I say, "Well, how on earth does that control your anger?" He says, "I use your toothbrush." He's very naughty. He's very naughty. Oh, look, sizzling.
What you do is you cook that till basically a little bit golden around the edges. here.
crispy.
Crispy. We give it a flip
Oh, look, that's beautifully golden.
and just add a little bit more oil. It's not the most fat-free of dishes.
Yeah, but they do a lot of work in the fields during the day.
Exactly. So
Babchka barrel. Well, she'd be out there hoeing the ground all afternoon. She'll come back and have about a dozen of these.
So she used to not only feed her family, because she had 2 children by then, she would feed next door neighbour on this side, that side, everything. So she was a giver.
She was a giver.
Yeah.
She's like I'm the modern day version of Beryl. I'm a giver.
You are?
I am.
Really?
I am. You'll find out later, darling. You will. Nice hole might find out later too. I don't know.
Should we be excited?
Well, you should actually. You should be moist with anticipation. Oh, that looks ready.
So do you want to do savoury or sweet?
Let's do sweet first.
Sweet. This is fruit compote. You just get a bag of frozen berries, mixed berries, throw it in a pan, in a pot, let it heat up, and then you just do a big squirt of honey.
Oh,
in it.
and you can make your own fresh compote.
Yeah, so that's a fresh
Beautiful.
compote.
Is that what you did with that?
That's what that is there.
Lovely.
Then I like icing sugar, and it snows. Look at that.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Is it time to taste?
Time to taste.
Oh,
I hope you like it. God, I
oh,
hope you like it. I'm nervous.
oh, don't be nervous, darling. You can be nervous later. Oh my God.
Is it nice?
Oh my God.
Can I try it? I have to
Oh
try
my
it.
God, nice holes not getting you back, Joel. Oh my God, they're good.
Are they? And fat-free.
Well, we can work it off later, darling. Now, this is the savoury version.
Savoury versions. It's salmon, Greek yogurt, dill, and lemon juice. And you just give it a bit of a mix around. You flake the salmon in, mix it around, and just give it to taste. And then we just put a little bit on top there.
Look at that.
Now, this doesn't necessarily mean...
Probably doesn't need any more than that, darling.
This is the Polish thing. If you're full or there's not enough on the plate, they'll just keep adding.
No, it's not just a Polish thing, darling.
Yeah.
It's an Italian thing, a Greek thing. I mean, oh, what are they? The capers.
These are capers, so we just little capers on top, just to decorate, just to make it.
Now we're tasting potato pancakes with a salmon.
Greek yogurt, and lemon juice, and a bit of dill.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh
It's a bit creamy.
Oh, it's so good. Oh, that's good. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Adam's potato pancakes, either with a sweet version or with a savoury version. And as my gorgeous mother used to say, Soula Marie, stop doing that with your tongue. You're a lady. Get into the kitchen and start cooking, because cooking should never be a drag. And it's not, and I'm having more.
Save some for me.
No, I just want the crusty bits.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I love crusty bits. Go in the top drawer here, darling. There's a knife
really?
and fork in
Oh,
there.
sorry, just
Oh,
move.
really?
Oh, yeah.
There was a bit of vag action there. And next time, I want big hole to make a guest appearance.
Nice hole.
What? Nice hole. Sorry, darling. Oh my God. Listen, her name is Nicole.
Nook hole.
Oh my God, one hole. You have well, you do know what you're missing.
I love coming to your place.
Oh, I love you coming in my place. Bye, darling.